I had a request to add tablature to this 3 on a string scale system here, and so I took the time and did it and wanted to make this little video explaining it. So traditionally major scales are taught in 5 positions, and you either have 2 or 3 notes on a string like this. But there's another way of doing it that's also very useful. It's the 3 on a string scale system, where each string receives 3 notes, and so you cover more of the fretboard, and it kind of blends a couple of those positions together, and it looks more like this. So notice I'm stretching a lot more and I'm moving a lot more. But it's a great kind of more advanced way to practice your scales. And so, excuse me. So this PDF shows how to do that, and there are 7 positions instead of 5 when you do it this way, because you have a different position for each starting note. So for position 1, you want to go to the lowest possible note of the scale. So in this case, we're in C major, and you want to use no open strings. At least that's the way it's on this PDF. So that note would be F. That's the lowest note of the scale. Excuse me. Then you want to climb up the scale just using 3 notes per string. So I've got the tablature here, and it's pretty straightforward, but I'll just play through each one of these. So this is position 1. So you go 1, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 1, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6, and 3, 5, 7. And descending. Then you just simply move up to the next note. So now we'd be on the note G, and this is position 2. 2, ready, go. Position 3, let me pull that up here. This starts on A. 1, 2, ready, go. Position 4, go up to the note B. 2, ready, go. Then up to C. This would be position 5. There we go. 2, ready, go. All right, position 6. Starting on D, 2, ready, go. And finally, position 7. 2, ready. brings you back to the first position. So this is a lot of work, and this is definitely more of an intermediate to advanced way of doing the scale, but really effective. I always recommend this if you've kind of been working on your scales and you feel a little bit stuck, like in moving from position to position. Using the 3 on the scale system can kind of help glue everything together. So, and then this page right here, this concept, transforming keys using 3 on a string. All this means is, so this is right here is position 1, C major, first one we did. Now you can keep, so you have all those notes, and if you want to transform this exercise into G major, so you can access the key of G major here, all you have to do is change all the F's to F sharps. And so you've got this note, this one, and this one just get raised a half step. So instead of this, you change them all to F sharps and you get this. And then let's transform it to D major, so that we take C major and we change all the F's and all the C's into D major. Now let's do E flat major. So now we take C major and just lower all the, what would it be? B flat, E flat, and A flats. Excuse me. Is that right? Yeah, B flat, E flat, A flat, all to create the E flat major scale. Finally, E major. So we start with C major and we raise all the F's, C's, G's, and D's to sharps, and you get E major. So a lot of work, but very interesting thing to practice. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions about any of this.